Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a analog clock using Applet. So this is my class clock2, which is extending from Applet and implements renewable function. So here I made a thread called timer and some integer variables, that is for dimensions to draw the hands, that is x-axis for seconds, y-axis for seconds, etc., minutes and hours also. And this is simple date. This is for a standard class called simple date format, and the string and font, date and color. So in the init method, I am initializing all those integer value to 0 and creating a new object simple date format with this format to this object. I'm creating a new date object. uh, I'm setting the color of the hand color number, and setting the background color to this particular value, and the color of hand color and number also. So I created a function called plot points. In this I will be drawing the lines using this function by calling this function, and created one more function called circle. In this I have implemented an algorithm to sweep the minute hand, hour and second hand by calculating the uh, distance and the angle required to sweep the clock. So in the paint method, I have initialized some variables and made some string variables. So here I am creating a new date object and a simple date format class. I am creating an object of that class. So here I am getting the current date and formatting it and converting into integer and storing into an integer variable. So after this, I'm getting putting a central axis for the minute, hour, and second hand as is 80 and 55 for the center point of that analog clock, and getting the values of the hour, minute, and second hand to sweep by calculating through this mathematical function, that is from math.pos and math.sign. I'm calculating the values that the hour and minute and second hand has to move, and setting the font and setting the color. Here I'm setting the background and draw a line. So from the start method, I'm starting the thread uh, and starting the thread. Then through this run function, I'm starting the timer and repainting, changing the values. So now let's try to run the program. So the analog clock is working perfectly, and so program is successful.